Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Winix 5300-2 Air Purifier, a powerhouse in air purification with its True HEPA filter, PlasmaWave technology, and odor-reducing carbon filter. This Energy Star, AHEM, and CARB-certified device captures 99.97% of airborne pollutants, including dust mites, pet dander, pollen, and other allergens as small as 0.3 microns. With a 3-stage cleaning process, it effectively removes dust, cigarette smoke, pollen, odors, pet dander, mold spores, and organic chemicals, ensuring your air is as clean as possible. The PlasmaWave technology acts as a permanent filter, breaking down odors, allergens, chemical vapors, and other pollutants without producing harmful ozone. It offers a delivered airflow of 236 CFM and operates quietly at just 27.8 decibels, with a smart sensor and auto mode that adjusts the fan speed as needed, plus a sleep mode for silent nighttime operation. Although it doesn't come with a remote control, it's CADR rated for rooms up to 360 square feet, making it perfect for medium to large spaces like kids' bedrooms, baby nurseries, and offices. So, if you're looking for a reliable air purifier that combines advanced technology with efficient performance, the Winix 5300-2 is definitely worth considering.